Hello, precious family. This is Ahumbrasia Kitchen. This is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Yes, thank you all my viewers and my subscribers. Today we're cooking coconut infused green rice. Let's cook. Time to blend the coconuts. I'm using cheesecloth to strain the milk. This is coconut milk. I blend it for the second time. I add water, blend it. I have my spinach here and my basil, rosemary, and thyme. I'm going to blend. Ingredients for the rice: salt, ginger, jalapeno pepper, garlic, coconut milk, tarragon, spinach, rice, and onions. We're starting with our virgin coconut oil because I want to smell the coconut in the rice. Garlic, onions. The aroma starts already. I started it out. Aroma is it out. And I make a true see aroma is it out. Salt. Time for rice. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes now, so I'm gonna add the spinach. Okay, so the spinach, any color, how dark you want it. Okay, I'm adding the rest. Adding my tarragon, just a little bit. I rinsed the blender with the coconut oil, coconut milk. Yes, so good. It feels so good. Okay, adding a little bit more. I'll leave the rest. If I need more, I'll add it. It's not easy in the kitchen here. Hey, I'm gonna cover it. And cover it with paper towel. And our cocoa yellow plantain is going good. Done. And smells good and tastes good. Ingredients: black pepper, salt, celery, carrots, red cabbage or purple cabbage, and the regular cabbage, onions chopped, and avocado mayonnaise. Put the onion in icy water like cubes, and I add cold water to it so it takes away some of the onions, the scent, like onion. Oh, mommy channel. See? Okay, so everything is nicely chopped beautifully. Let's see. On your fair. How wash it. Just look at that. Now we're gonna add the onions. I have to drain the water from the onions and then dry it. Yeah. Okay. Now I add the onions. Add my salty. Let me use my sprinkle black pepper. So now we mix everything together. My bowl. Then milk to the mayonnaise, just a little. Add milk and